Welcome to our channel! Halloween is coming up and we are so excited! That's why this week we'll be uploading many more videos than usual, so stay tuned! Today we make monster mini cupcakes. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. To make approximately 16 mini cupcakes we'll need 60 grams of flour, 40 grams of sugar, 30 grams of brown sugar, 15 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 55 milliliters of cooking cream, 40 milliliters of sunflower oil, 10 grams of melted butter, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a bowl, pour the oil, melted butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, cooking cream, and the egg. And beat it very well. And give a like to this video. When everything is integrated, add the flour, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And beat at a low speed until you can't see the flour and the cocoa anymore. Finish mixing it with a spoon. And that's it. Put the cupcake paper holders in the mold. And fill them a little bit more than halfway. And now put it in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While they're cooking, make the buttercream with 200 grams of icing sugar and 200 grams of butter and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything in a bowl, first at low speed, and then 5 minutes at high speed. At first it can be a little bit hard to integrate everything, but after that it gets easier. Divide the buttercream to dye it in different colors, and after adding the food dye you want, mix it again. These are the tips that I'm going to use to make the monsters. Put it in your piping bag. And fill it using a tall glass to make it easier. And now we have our buttercream ready to decorate. If you put the buttercream like this in the cupcakes and add sugar ice, you'll get these sweet monsters. Another way to decorate them is like this. and putting lots of ice everywhere. And look how they turned out! These cupcakes will be the kings of your Halloween party. And you've seen how easy it was to make them. And before we leave, we wanted to say hi to a subscriber that requested it in the comments. Martina Menendez Madrid. Thank you so much for following us, Martina. Psst, if you also want us to say hi to you, tell us in the comments. Don't miss all the other Halloween videos we will upload. See you soon!